guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jackie O. Jackie.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a challenge for you guys. I know I've been doing just like whole makeup tutorials and you guys are just like boring about it. I'm doing the challenge that has been going around for a while, and I'm again the last one to do it because that's always me. I'm always the last one to do something, whatever. But the challenge is that you follow someone else makeup tutorial, and today I wanted to follow my girl Jackie Aina. Let's just get right into it, you guys, because this is gonna be fun. This should be fun.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jackie O. Jackie. Today is the day we finally have a launch date for the bronze.
Isn't that the most exciting intro you ever like experienced? I just love it. By the way, you guys, the video that I'm following from her is that how to look like a bronze goddess. I want to look like a bronze goddess, honey. Okay. So we're going to do this today.
Because a lot of it is DNA, but it's a little bit of assistance. We did cheat just a little bit. It's okay to enhance a little bit of what you got. No judgment.
Let me know in the comments down below, you guys, if you have tried her highlighters. If you have tried her highlighters, I really want to freaking try them, but your girl's on a budget, you know what I mean?
I am biased, just saying. Deep, dark, rose gold shade. It's just beautiful. And the peach is something that I created for those.
I'm gonna be honest, I feel quite bad because I don't really have her glow powders, but we're gonna work with what we have. There you go.
Bronze in the peach, aka twin nail. In order for us to achieve maximum glow, there are going to be several steps and tips that I have for you. Okay. These guns are at it again. Boom. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna do, first I'm gonna take my LeBron's Diamond Glow Highlight and highlight the skin. Now the reason why I like doing this is because it gives us just...
So are we going in without foundation first? I'm confused.
This is because it gives us
what's happening.
This lit from within glow, and you know I'm a huge fan. Highlight on, I think it looks so good.
Shit. Okay, so let me get my glow powders that I have. They're drugstore, so we're safe. So I'm actually gonna be using L'Oreal True Match Lumi Shimmerista glow powder, and it's literally like a powder. So this is what we're gonna be using on our face today, since we don't have Mama Jackie Aina powder. I feel like this might be a little too dark for me, but first, you guys, I'm actually gonna moisturize, even though she didn't moisturize, or I don't know if she did. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of moisturize on my skin because I'm super dry. Jackie Aina is actually oily, so let's see how this is gonna work. I'm just gonna moisturize a little bit because my skin is dry. Let's do this. So good. By the way, I'm using Laneige moisturized cream. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the powder, and this is the color. It's kind of like a peachy tone, so that's why I'm using it, because trying to follow Mama Jackie Aina, you feel me? So I'm just gonna take a little tiny bit because that's what she's doing, right?
So good. So even if you just weren't in the mood to put on anything,
that looks so good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that right. Yeah, this is a little too dark for my skin, so let me go with the other one because I don't like a weird patch there, I believe. You see that? Yeah. So we're gonna go with the other shade. It's the same powder in the shade Moonlight. So let's go ahead and try this. So let's go ahead and apply that. You see, this one is more like mice, maybe.
Look at how pretty this looks on its own, like on top of nothing. How much you put on is really up to you, because ultimately you're still going to be putting product on top of that, so just keep that in mind. So here is what LeBron's looks like on bare skin. Hey, how's it going? Alright, we back here.
This is not looking like
LeBron. Any type of like everyday basic neutrals palette. The one that I'm going to be using today.
Okay, hold up, girl, because I actually have a palette, you guys, and I gave it away because it wasn't for me. Like, it just too soft. Let me finish with this highlight first because I'm like looking crazy right now, and I don't know what happened to my brows, you guys. Like, what is that? Guys, crap. What? Wait. Okay. I'm looking crazy, but let's just keep going. So I need to look like for a palette that is similar to that, maybe. So I'm actually gonna go in with this Spongeac palette, and it has kind of like similar shades with brown tones and like gold and things like that, like all these shades right here. Okay, let's see what this babe's gonna do.
We're sticking to colors that have more neutrals and stuff that's gonna play really well with the overall golden goddess look. So what I'm gonna do is take Epic, this brown color here.
I'm fucking confused. Wait, that color. Did she do her face already? I am so confused. Like, wait, am I not listening? Okay, so she went ahead and did her whole face, and I'm over here like, wait, what? Did I miss something? I'm not listening? Okay, whatever. Let's just go ahead and do my thing. I'm just gonna tell you guys quickly what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna apply this LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Foundation, which I freaking love, and I'm actually gonna be using this brush. So yeah, I'm not sure about the powder underneath. I don't don't know how I like that, but let's just go ahead with the flow. But yeah, you guys, this brush is just amazing. By the way, we're doing our whole entire face since she already has her whole entire face done. I'm using this Kat D Lock It Concealer, which looks like this. And for this, you guys do not follow. Ay Dios me, I just put so much freaking concealer. Great. So I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of like pick this up and put it on the other side because I literally apply so much concealer, you guys. But I actually ended up picking up this concealer in Marshall's, I believe. It was only like $2 or something like that. I have never tried Kat D, and that's one of the main reasons why I picked it up. Let's see how this works. I don't think I have ever used it because it's so white. So I'm looking crazy right now. God damn it. Thanks, Jackie. Now we're over here trying to fast forward all of this. Okay, you guys, so I'm actually gonna go in with a loose powder to set my under eyes because it looks like it's creasing a lot. And as always, I'm using some of my favorite, which is the Airspun. That concealer is definitely not for me, and I think I will be even getting rid of this. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to see a getting rid of all my makeup type of video. Oh, another thing that she has done is her brows and contour and all of this. Never go wrong with a Hoola bronzer by Benefit. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of that. I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze up the face a little bit. Gotta bronze up the forehead, honey. Okay. Love looking bronzy, guys. I don't know why. I just love it so much. Okay, we are bronze, honey. I think I'm gonna go in with this pencil by Maybelline, which is Total Temptation brow pencil, which I freaking love. And it's so good, especially for coarse brow hair like moi. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush the brows. Oh my god, I'm always like covering up, you guys. And then start stroking it with a pencil. Yo, I love this pencil. It's so freaking bomb. Like, look at that difference, honey. Okay, maybe what if I should start doing my brows like super... That's so weird. I never liked this type of brows, you guys. Okay, you guys, brows are done. They're looking they're looking right. Back to Jackie.
I'm gonna take just any type of like everyday basic neutrals palette. The one I'm gonna be using today is the Soiree Diaries from Pure, and as you can see, it's got a nice set of like browns, neutrals, gold. So what I'm gonna do is take Epic, this brown color here. I'm gonna start by working with that color
dark
along my bottom lash line, but I won't be closing it off in that inner corner.
I have never tried like starting off on my lower lash line, so let's see how that goes. But I'm going with the first shade right here. That's the name of it.
I'm just going to be applying it on the outer bottom half, just like that. See the difference between this and this? Woke me up just a little bit. Now on top of that, I'm gonna take Glitzy, which is a glittery gold color, right on.
Hold up, honey. It's gonna be too fast for me. So she's not closing it up, just adding it onto the lower. I think this is a little too dark maybe. But again, just adding it onto the lower lash. Not closing it off. Right. I like this. It's cute, bro. I might do this every day from now on. I'm such a bad follower. Anyways, let's get back to the actual tutorial.
Just like that. See the difference between this
and this?
Woke me up just a little bit. Now on top of that,
okay, so the gold, she's taking a gold, and I'm actually going to use the gold from this palette, which is this one right here.
I think a lot of times that look requires a little bit less matte play and a little bit more shimmer. You're probably thinking, well then why the hell did you put the matte shadow down in the first place? I put that color down for the depth. Okay, now I'm getting the shimmer that I want from this second color. I'm gonna take this matte color again.
Okay, so she's mixing colors now. Let's go ahead and take a fluffy brush. I'm already these two shades right here because it's kind of like wait, these two right here. Kind of like looks like a smoky eye here now.
I'm actually gonna take a blending brush to get a more natural beachy look, and I'm going to sweep it and pat it into my eyelid. This kind of gives you...
This is actually pretty freaking nice. Like, I really like this look. Yo, I am digging this, and I'm so happy that I actually did this, like, by her, because she always have this beautiful bronze, gold, and, like, glowy, dewy skin, and I never do these type of looks, so...
This kind of gives you, like, a softer look color. More to sweep it.
Also, she's using her highlighter, the powder highlight, so I'm actually...
like a softer lid color.
Okay, so the one I'm going to be taking is the Lumi Shimmerista loose powder, because that's the one I have, and it's like a peachy look. And she also went ahead and spray. What the hell did she spray? I don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe and apply it right onto the eyelids, right?
Yes. Look how pretty that is. So gorgeous. You can pat it in, you can sweep it, but just put it all over the lid. The bronze is just perfect for the lid. And then make sure you really kind of get it, and you get into the crease of your eye, right in that inside area, like right where the socket of your eye is. kind of just barely go over that. I kind of feel like when you stay with
girl, fuck, wait. I like
that in my waterline. That's gonna really open the eye up.
Okay, she's using a waterline pencil that's gold. Do I have that? Okay, you guys, so I actually do not have a gold eyeliner pencil to put in my waterline, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this Morphe. I think this is an eyeshadow, those wet eyeshadow type thing. I think it got on my eye. Okay, I'm definitely not putting more of that because I feel like it's in my eyeballs and it's bothering me, so let's just move on.
That's gonna really open up that eye and give you a nice unexpected pop. So today I'm gonna be using the Lily Lash in the style Miami.
I definitely don't have any Lily lashes. They're expensive. So I'm actually gonna use the lashes. They look like this. I think they kind of look similar to those that she's wearing. So let's see how that goes. Wait, she's still putting liner. I thought she was going for the lashes. What the?
I'm actually gonna draw this onto my top lash line and lashes.
Oh dear Lord.
And I'm gonna stay.
I'm using the NYX, what the fuck is this? Fox Blacks liner. So I'm just gonna do the same thing that she's doing while I'm trying to hold this because I already put glue on my damn lash. It's already drying.
As close to your.
Okay, so now I have to smudge that maybe? Let me see. How the hell do you guys follow tutorials like this? This is harder. It's so much harder than working on your own. That's the best I could do. I think that's why every YouTuber on every event, you see them with like super natural look. That's a safe spot right there.
Come across, it's such a good color.
Oh shit, she's running
just
up.
the
Oh
right
wait,
amount of
fuck.
shimmer. So you're basically just gonna hit every part of your face, including your neck and your jawline around your forehead. Now, those of us that don't know the difference between contouring and bronzing, contour is gonna add shadow. So you want to stay away from anything that has like a gray, ashier tone, because that's gonna snatch your face in. It's not every day snatched. It's cool to take a day off sometimes, you know. Now I'm taking a bigger brush because I did add quite a bit of bronzer, and I'm thinking, grab your edges and your blush. Okay, keep going. We're not done yet. I do look for some pink blushes, but I feel like nothing screams bronze goddess like a nice peachy orangey blush, and especially on my skin tone, it's not gonna look this bright.
One thing, I do not wear blush, but we're gonna try this blush today. But I do not, let me tell you, I do not wear blush whatsoever, so I don't even know how. This is already too much. Like, how do you even apply a blush? What?
Because the bronze goddess look is really about the skin looking the best that it is. And, you know, using colors and tones that look a lot like your skin tone. So because my undertones are golden warm, I just feel like that lit from within look is my nude. So as you can see, that warmed up the skin ever so nicely. Now we're finally gonna dust off our La Peach because she's been neglected in this tutorial, which is right where my cheekbone starts. And I just added the smallest amount of glow, and then I'm gonna carry it up into my brow bone. So I'm creating a sideways C shape, so that when I turn my face, you guys know this is my favorite. I've talked about this dozens of times, but I love this look. Like, I want you to be able to see the curvature of my cheekbones when you turn around and all that good stuff. And perhaps my favorite part of the face to highlight is right where your cheekbone and your outer corner of eye meet. So right here, boom, boom. This, what I like to do is I like to hit him with the, okay girl,
bye.
You tried it. There ain't no way you gonna mess with somebody who's highlighted. Graze it. It's almost like a light dusting. If you feel like you made some mistakes, go back in with your bronzer brush. And
that's what I need to do.
Okay, push that into the skin. I always immediately after doing my highlight follow it up with a setting spray or like a mist or whatever. And a 2 and a 1, 2, 3. Oh! Everything has melted into the skin, darlings. This is gonna really allow me to do it, but whatever. Step, it's the perfect undertone. So we're gonna go right in there with a small blending brush. Open that eye up. Give the kids something to talk about. Just a little bit down the bridge of my nose. Not too much though. I don't mind the dip. When people add highlight in the dip, just do, please.
Oh wait, she did apply mascara on her lower lash, which I did miss as well. Apply a little bit of this Roller Lash Mascara by Benefit. And we also gonna go ahead and apply the gloss that I do not have. She's using some expensive stuff, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one, which is my favorite as well. Pop Beauty Nectar. let's put this on. Did she lip line? I don't know.
I just feel like bronzing and glowing is lit. There's never a time where it's not in style. There's never a time where glowing is not in season. There's always going to be a no makeup.
Anyways, this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I am not a good follower, I swear. I tried my best and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So I'll see you on my next one.